Good morning, Marie. Sean, are you in short? I took a small nibble here for a quickie. Good morning from jail. What up? What up? I'm just getting all my shiznick ready. Getting all my shiz. Oh, it's probably looping. There we go. I fixed the loop. I fixed the echo. Let's see what else. Dude, they can't push it up to 58. Trump's coming on. What time is he coming on? What up, Dell? Dude, I don't trust this shit at all. I don't trust this market at all right now. It's so there's just no movement. I mean, I can't get hurt, but yeah, I decided to kind of exit. I put my stops up. I got out, and I'm just waiting till Trump gets off. I'm not going to mess around while he's fucking talking. That I can tell you. The market hasn't gone anywhere. Super choppy today. I would say extremely choppy today. I mean, even at market open, if you look, like, we weren't. If you look at the lower time frames, like the 5 second, we didn't even go anywhere. We literally just opened and stayed. It was almost like a holiday. It was basically like holiday trading. I don't know if they're waiting for CPI. I don't really know what the deal is, but it definitely feels like something's going on. What up, Jackson? I need to make 2 back tests today on my FX replay, and I'm going to test something out. I might change my stop at open or my take profit at open. I got to see what goes on, but I might tweak the opening trade and see what happens. Yo, we're supposed to have that China deadline tonight. Remember that? China deadline's August August 12th at midnight? Dude, I wonder what happens here. Right? China. Dude. I meant to look it up. Yo, they haven't said they're going to extend it yet. So we can go back up to 34% from 10%. I'm just reading this article right now. They're talking like it's going to, like they might extend it, but Trump said before that they're not going to. This is going to get crazy. I wonder what happens. They are saying there'll be an extension, but Trump said there wouldn't be one. So it's going to be interesting what happens here. Yeah, them buying Russian oil. China. I mean, that's the word, but as of right now, they did not extend it. I don't know if they'll extend it. Look, I'm reading this one. A 90-day pause on imposing higher tariffs is due to expire on Tuesday and is unclear if they'll extend it. I don't know. I saw Nvidia and AMD will give 15% of its chip sales revenue to the US, something like that. I'm just looking at these news articles. I don't know. Yo, what up, Ron? Check Discord. Bro, you guys. No news right now. No news yet. I want to get in long, but if Trump is talking, I don't really know. Super choppy day. Super, super choppy. I'm curious if Trump says they have, if he's talking right now, if he says that they have an extension, or he just says there's no extension. The one thing I'm worried about, Jackson, I'm with you. Usually, if it's a dead market, it usually just trends up. The one thing you got to worry about is the deadline tonight, and if there's no news about an extension, I mean, we're gonna I would assume we're gonna pull back. Tariffs go up from 10% to 35%. It's gonna get real fucking interesting. I wonder if they blow right through this. I mean, we basically tapped the previous day high. And I'm curious now if they're going to bring it down to 29. Yo, what up, Kevin? So risky. So risque. I'm just seeing if this is actually VWAP. I got to scroll out and scroll back in. All right. Let's see what happens here. Yo, Sean, what's crazy is it touched yesterday's high. This was like yesterday's high right here, not our previous day's high. In theory, the setup, in theory, you had it right there. Wait, was it? The fuck is that? Oh, we've actually breached it. Where the fuck did the candles go? Dude, is this thing not calculating right? Where did it get this fucking line from? Bro, previous day high is not even right there. It's up higher. Well, no, that's Sunday. That's Sunday. Oh yeah, no, this is Friday. Did it? Was that it? Oh yeah, it is. This is Friday's end of day candle. Oh geez. Okay. Got it. Good morning, Monet. I'm kind of just watching. We just took Asia low, swept it. I'm not looking to take that. I am not looking to take that. We didn't really come down far enough for me to be like, oh yeah, that I want to take that. I want to see it come down like London low area. Yeah. If you want to scalp it, that's one thing. I wouldn't be taking that as a real trade. If we break previous days highs, you want to see if it holds. If it holds previous day high and you start trending, you're probably going to hold it. But like if you come up and then you sell back through it, the odds are you're not going to hold it. Kind of got to see how it reacts around it more than anything. I wouldn't be surprised if they push it back up one last time. What up, BK? One last push up to like 57 or, somewhere up here. Something told me that today was just going to be freaking rough. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, just dump it out. The move is the dump. There you go. What'd you play, BCat? You played the Open? You played the 9:30 Open? What'd you go, long or short? Boom. I played the Open. I lost. That's why I was wondering how you played it. So you went short. I lost the first short and then shorted again. I know what you're talking about. It popped up that one right before it went down. It popped up. Yeah. Yeah. You won the ES trade overnight. Solid. Dude, I want to see a dump. Just dump it. Just fucking let it go, man. That's the only way I'm going to get into something is if we let it go. I want to see it come down. 680. Give me 680. Get right into this order block down here, and then we could pop back up or do something. Come on. It's got to get through the VWAP. If we dump through right here, I would assume we're going to head back down at least 700. It's holding on by a thread. Holding on right here. You can see it. Super choppy, though. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. Like, it goes back up like it's whatever, but like there's no trade for me to be like, oh wow, I want to take this up to here. You know, that's not the trade for me personally. The trade is to come down and then back up. Come on. Dude, why I just freaking wait? It's hanging. It is fucking hanging. It's got to get under 29. Just hanging around. Boom, 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 boom. We'll open up the docks while we freaking wait. Come on. I feel like these moves are just so slow today. Are we coming down now? We're making a move? Oh, we almost made a move. That was the fakey move. Look at that fucking fake out. Look at that fucking fake out. Yo, what up, Corey? Dude, I'm just watching this fucking chop-tastic market just go virtually nowhere. What up, Victor? I mean, we're just hanging here doing nothing. I do think eventually we target like 83. I just there's no watch this. I'm not going to do it now, but I'm debating on taking two cons and holding all the way down to the bottom. My stop out would be like 40 something. So I just want to see if they pop it over here. Are they going to pop it or no? I'm master debating. Watch, they're going to stop me out that I did this shit, but I took a super small position. That's it. That's all. They fucking got my number here. I don't even know what 50 points gets me here, but it just feels fucking dumpy. There's no China deal yet. I don't know. There's no China. China. Just fucking unload it, man. Yo, once I get short, they call everybody and they're like, pump it. I mean, it doesn't look fucking great, but there's just no there's no pressure either way. Like there's no buy pressure, there's no sell. Like you want to see this flush out here. I mean, you want to see this flush out, and it just this is the slow grind that I do not like. This is the slow grind that I do not like to trade in. Yo, I wonder what if he says something at the press conference about the China deadline. I would assume somebody's going to ask him, like, yo, man, where are we with China? You know, someone should ask. Yo, they extended the take profit trader sale. They extended it till this Sunday. Yep. In the words of Dave Chappelle, the habitual sale extenders. I'm just going to break even. I don't fucking trust this trade anymore. Yo, what up, barbecue? I would like to see it come down to like 10. I can move my fucking stop down a little bit. But at least I know it's not going to cost me any money here. But I wouldn't mind getting fucking $50. I wouldn't mind getting $50 in each account. Come on, get it to like 10. We get it to 10, I can move my stop to 20. At least then I can lock in like 35, $40 an account times 5. There we go. I'm just moving down as the candles go. I get stopped like that, I'm out $30, 5 accounts. Free longs? Good luck. Yeah, BK. They made a big thing that they weren't going to extend it, but they extended it. They definitely extended the deal. I was shocked because normally they don't. Normally they don't. Apex extends fucking deals. Take profit trader normally doesn't. I don't know. I got 3 pro accounts now, so I'm kind of just chilling out. Dude, this is fucking brutal. Just sitting and watching, sitting and watching. I do think eventually it hits 83. It's just slow grinding it. I mean, this market is freaking rough. I do think short is the way. I think they're all waiting on Trump to see if we're extending the deal or not. The trade deal with China. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. All right, now I could say I got out at a good spot. Still not looking to enter, though. There's just no way to get me. Like, if you want to get me in, we're going to have to dump. We're going to have to dump or we're going to have to rip. Like, I'm not buying mid-zone. Like, we are middle of the orb, like, the middle of the hourly range. There's just no way you're going to get me to get sucked in here. It just doesn't make sense. Yo, what up, Elite and Boom? Cash? What are you guys doing? This is a slow grinder? Yo. Just trying to take some trades, but like I don't want to get in on the chop. So I'm just kind of hanging. I think a lot of things are just waiting on tomorrow, to be honest. Really feels like everybody's waiting on tomorrow. Or tonight, I should say. It just feels that way. Market's not going anywhere. Just kind of blah. Marie, did you cover your short or are you still hanging? You're still short? I'm thinking about reloading. It's crossing my mind right up here. Watch them just push it out of this fucking thing. This is the one thing I'm worried about is like this downtrend gets broken and then they push it back up to like 45. You know what I'm saying? Just get a massive freaking. If they get this back over like 39 or 41, you're going to get a massive short covering. I wouldn't be surprised to see high a day. They got to hold it down right over here. Triple bottom on the 5 on the ES. Your accounts, your take profit trader account's not connecting on Ninja? That's super weird. I've never had that happen. Going for it. Going for it. It's just in the middle of slop. ES is pushing hard. I don't even know where it is. I'm guessing 6,000 something. Let's see what we got. Dude, why? What the fuck? Well, that's a nice little bounce that the ES put in. Well, there we go. There we go. Just had to go long. How easy would that have been? Just had to go long. Dude. It's crank-a-lankin'. Wow. Yeah, I would have been out at like definitely once it broke over the back over the orb, I probably would have been out. I mean, I was out already, but if I happened to stay in, that would have been my spot over the 200, somewhere around here. I would have got out. What up, Lee? Shoot, just trying to make some money in the chop. Yo, smash the old like button. What up, man? Oh, this is just freaking killing me over here. Yeah, it's just not going anywhere. It's not the action that I typically like to trade. The, up, down, we're just kind of going back and forth, back and forth. You finally get some movement, and then it's back to just back and forth, just barcoding its way down. This was a nice little push, but, it just seems like the momentum's not there, and they're just waiting for CPI tomorrow and China tonight and CPI tomorrow. Those are the two big things. $50 lot. Yeah, I'm just. I would have liked to see it come down to this edge, down around 683. Just never made it. Never quite got to its destination. Yeah, I don't know. Trying, man. The worst thing you can do is just force trades. Where do I think it will go? I bet you we close probably within 80 points of here. Like, I don't see us going more than 80 points either way. Just how the market's acting, it doesn't seem like it wants to go anywhere. Kind of just seems like we're just going to, kind of feels like we're going to chop here for a bit, right? It's just too many big things. If you really look, you got CPI tomorrow in the morning. By the way, I'm definitely going to play CPI. And then on top of that, you just kind of you got this whole China thing. You know, who knows what's going to happen with China? We're going to find out tonight, I guess, or sometime between now and tonight. You're going to find out about China. So I would imagine at some point you're going to get an algo candle for a deal extended or deal not extended. If there's no extension, dude, we're going to fucking plummet. If they extend it one more time, I don't think they'll ever not extend it. When NVIDIA gets nationalized, I mean, if you don't think NVIDIA is working with the US government already, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, all the major companies are working with the government. Did you see they're going to give 15% of their revenue on certain chips back to the US government that they're selling to China? So I got all these guys in this chat talking CPI. I don't know who's getting the money, but I wouldn't be surprised if like the US government's putting stuff in all the chips to monitor everything. If you don't think that's happening, you're crazy. I imagine the US government is hooking NVIDIA up behind closed doors to basically put stuff in the chips to then monitor everything that everybody's using with the chips. Right? That doesn't sound crazy. I'm just saying that's what it seems like. That's what I would be doing if I was the US government. I'd be monitoring everybody who buys those chips. This little flag break to the upside. Nope, never got there. I'm not getting it now. I wanted to see it stay above the 9 and just kind of pump. Woo! Yeah, basically. I mean, you got to think they're doing it already, but those chips aren't on people, it's on companies. You know, if China's using those chips for shit, government wants to know what they're using it for. Uh-oh. I just got a news alert about the White House. Nothing crazy, something stupid. I'm just looking what we got going on. We just inverted fair value gap to the downside. You're hanging out below an order block, below the orb, but above VWAP and above the 200. Like, I think once you break out of this little area, we'll see where we're going. You kind of have a sloppy head right here. Look, see, you got a shoulder, a head, and this will be a shoulder, kind of like an inverted head and shoulders here. It's sloppy, but it's definitely there. You think we go, what up, Samish? You think we go lower all day slowly? I think I feel like as we get closer to no deal with China, they're going to drop it, but who fucking knows? I think there's too many people that are hopeful that the deal goes through. There's a lot of hopeful people. I don't know what's going to happen, though. I kind of want to long it and stop out right here. Stop out at 728. I'm just thinking about it. It'd be 10 points. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Damn, man, this thing's just sitting here. We haven't got anywhere. We're sitting in a 30-point range since fucking, I don't know, 940 we got in this range. Good old 2 hours of not going anywhere. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Do something. I don't know. If they push it back over 742, I think we run. Seems like the thing. Little fake out, little fakey, and now push it all the way up. Push it back up to 67. It's the Asia low. Come on, man. Oh. This is freaking slow. Push! Push it. Come on, baby. Do something. Do something. Just looking for something here. Just get out of this fucking zone, man. Boom, 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 boom. Trump is answering questions now. Oh, baby. China. Wrong. Wrong. I mean, I'm shocked nobody asked him. Nobody asked about China. I mean, that's the big one. Someone just asked, like, yo, what's going on with China? What's cracking with China? That's what they should say. What's cracking with China? We doing this or what? Man, this has the going downtown fucking feel. Oh my god. I didn't realize I just was in fucking what the fuck? Dude, I was in the wrong shit. Should have stayed in. I had three minis. That was just purely we broke a little bear flag to the downside, and I was hoping Trump would say something stupid that would get us fucking. Trump train. Let me guess. I just got top ticked. Sure. I don't even love it. I mean, that was the first break. I'm not looking to probably take this again, but it's just holding. This is the inverted head and shoulders I was talking about. I wonder if it plays. I'm not taking it, by the way. I'm not just taking fucking just something that I looked at. Um, Trump places D.C. police under federal control and deploys National Guard. That's crazy. That's freaking wild. Dude, is that really what he said? What type of shit is that? I kind of like it. Let's see if that's a fucking market mover. I'm curious if we run on that. I'm curious. I mean, that's really good fucking something to say, but who knows? If we get up to like 51, I'll move to break even, and whatever this Trump China talk shit is, I just ride it for free. I want to see a push to like 48. I want to get 8 to 10 points in the money, and then I'll move to break even. And if this Trump shit is good, and I don't know, man. China's playing nice. You would think a deal is in place. Do you know what time it is in China right now? It's fucking 11:30 at night. It's 11:30 at night. How does China not have a deal? You think China's going to wake up at fucking 4 in the morning and be like, okay, Trump, let's talk at 4 in the morning? Like, I feel like the shit would be in place already. I thought that line would catch more fire than this, to be honest with you. I thought that line would catch 40, 50 points to the upside. It did not. That's what it's all going to be around, but we'll see what happens. I just thought with something like that, you'd see more of a pop, and we did not get shit out of it. We got 10 points. That's not what I wanted to see. Do you think he wants all this? Yeah. I mean, I get stopped out of this. I am absolutely done for a little bit until we move out of this zone. I'm not going to sit here and play edges or anything like that. I will just sit here and just wait. I'll wait until we make our move up to new highs or down around here. But other than that, I probably wouldn't touch it. I want to see exit velocity out of here. Otherwise, I'd probably not touch it. I mean, I wish I wasn't even in this trade. Even if we come back up, I might get out with a small loss if I can. I don't know if that's going to be possible. But, I just thought we were going to run off that. Doesn't look like it's going to happen, so I'm fucking going to be out. I mean, that very well could be the case. Yo, CT's back. China's 12 hours behind us, right, CT? Right now? I just feel like a deal would be in place already. Xi Ping gonna wake up, I guess, at 7 in the morning, which is 7 at night our time, and then be like, all right, first thing in the morning before I have my my coffee or tea, we'll talk to Trump at 7 in the morning, and we'll hash a deal out. I just don't see it. I just don't see it happening. For me, we need to come down for me to play something. Look at this chop. Jeez. Since about 9:45, it's approximately 35 points, 40 points. 2 hours, 40 points. You had the best Subway sub? Bro. Yo, what up, DW? What up, man? Bro, this is I don't even know what to make of this. What up, Anderson? Dude, I want to see it come down here. That's the move for me. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. Just fucking drop it, man. Just fucking drop it. Come on. Come on. It does look like it's going to make its way down. Like, it looks like it's just going to slowly sell off. Do I want to risk it? Probably not, but it does look like it's going to slowly sell off. Oh, come on, man. Don't do that. The only play for me is I'm deciding if I want to test something, actually. I'm digging around with it right now. Oh, risk it for the biscuit. Sometimes you gotta. Ain't gonna get the biscuit without risking it. It does feel like it wants to come down. It's the only thing I will say. Feels like it wants to come down. At least to 82. Like, the bare minimum seems to be like 82. So we'll see what happens. Risk it for the biscuit. Come on, man. Just dump it. Just boom, all the way down. Give us a play. Give us the play. Oh, man. Come on. I just don't see a scenario. Honestly, I don't really see a scenario where we go up and I'm like, oh, that's a good fucking call. Dude, what do you put in the Discord? Now I gotta look. All right, I'm looking at what you put in the Discord. All right, so what do you do? What do you draw a line on the halfway marker of the first? All right, DW, that's the first candle, right? I'm guessing that's the first. Is that the 15-minute candle? Yo, what up, Morty? Is that the 15-minute candle? You would have to explain it to me. I don't really know what I'm looking at, to be honest. Dude, they're gonna bring it all the way up. Yo, this is the line. Ready? How do you know they'll cut a deal? Trump, because I make deals. That's what I do. I only care about, oh, dude, I don't know if there's going to be a deal made. This shit's going to be wild. $5 for a foot long? $5 make you holla. Dude, I am so disappointed in the price action today. By the way, who's going to be smashing CPI tomorrow? Just wondering. Just kind of wondering who's smashing CPI tomorrow. I got 5 Apex accounts that rebuild at $16. Kind of seems like I'm going to. Just feels like the right thing to do. I imagine we're going to move around big enough, so might as well. I think last CPI I think I hit it on last CPI. This is what I want to see. Oh, it's going to be too big of a... Look at this fucking thing. I mean, CPI is the big move. Is this going to be the move up? I mean, you got to be crazy to be like, yo, this looks so good. This is my setup. Yeah, well, now it's $18. You got to wait until there's a deal, and you got to make sure that when you buy them, if they rebill at 80% and not 90, you got to just cancel them after you blow them up or or whatever. But there's some that rebill at 90%, and those are the times you want to like just fucking load the boat. Like if they rebill at 90%, those are the ones that I'll buy like 30 of them because I don't need to buy any other accounts then for the whole month. I mean, 60. It was 6. Now it's $18. But yeah. If they rebill at 33, I typically cancel them and I just use the 19 for the 9, the whatever the 90% off is. I always look for the deals. I always buy the deals. I'm always looking for the deals. If they're not having some crazy deal, I typically do not buy a lot. And then when they have a deal, I load the boat. Just kind of, boom, 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 boom. I'm just looking at something. I'm just looking to see if I can get more points. Do I have to trade them? I mean, you don't want to let them rebill. Otherwise, they'll rebill for the next. They'll rebill. I don't want that to happen. I pass them or not pass them. I'm passing them or not passing them in the first month. You know, like all like these accounts I got, like, you know, I'm probably going to pass them quickly or not pass them. Secret friends? I wish. I got no secret friends. I bought them. Somebody was running a crazy deal. So am I going to try? I mean, I have 5 of them. Am I going to trade all 5 on CPI? I'm probably going to trade 3 accounts on CPI to see if I get past them. Yeah. 3 accounts. All like my goal is to get, I'll probably do 7 cons. I'll probably do 7 cons, like 22 points, because you know how you always get filled way past. And that's just what I'm going to do and see what happens. 7 cons. Actually, I don't even need 22 points. If I do 7 cons, like 18 points, I'm sure I'll still pass, because that's almost, what is that, like $2,500? But then there's that massive slippage as it's going up. I'll probably end up making like 3,500 if it goes my way. Yo, Diddy. I got Diddy. Bro, I wonder if he gets let out. They're talking about getting him out of there. Shit's going to be interesting. I am. Dude, I'm playing with something that might be fucking awesome. All right, I'll look, Emil. I'll look. I shall look. Dude, I'll tell you what. I was going to stream all day today. I don't know if I'm going to stay on, because this market's fucking brutal right now. This is brutal, brutal. I'm just curious. I'm working. Oh, I would have. That's fucking crazy. I'm going to run this fucking. You shorted Anderson? Dude, where'd you short at? Yo, you know what's funny, barbecue? I did shit like that for a while. You have the Bart Simpson, you got the dinosaur. Yeah, that shit's so funny. I love that. I love that shit, man. I think that stuff's so funny. Yo, Anderson, balls of steel, buddy. All the power to you, my man. I will live the trade through you, is what I plan on doing. I am living the trade through you. Yo, fucking, yo. Oh, man. I mean, honestly, you're still in the fucking zone. I would love to see a sweep over and then back through. That would probably be the best. Is you want to sweep previous day's highs and today's highs. Woo! Yo, if you're still in, you're getting it. Dude, I can't fucking trade this market all day. I'm going to go get some lunch. By the way, take profit trader deal continued to go on, which is pretty legit. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. But yeah, I don't want to force trade anything right now. This is looking like we're just going to chop in this zone. I'm going to go grab something to eat. If you want to support the stream, use code COVETRADER. I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15. I'm stepping away because this is just garbage. You know, I don't want to get yo-yoed and lose my money over dumbass setups. And you guys really shouldn't either, unless you really like what you see here. I would take a step out and see what happens. But all right, I'll be back at 2, and I'll see you then. Peace.